Ti konversasyon lan yout yo important pou mette chale nan relasyon an bo. Loson mal alfa ou pa dwe gen problem pou kenbe yon konversasyon ak menajou de 8h du soir a X. Se la, kesyon ou pal pose menajou jwe yon rol important pou fel pase yout lan tek sa ro son pa anuyel bo. Ebe, tout problem gen solusyon wibaz. Mpote pou 5 bel kesyon pou pose menajou lan yout kap fe konversasyon pi bel avel. Sou fek tobe sou video sa, bienveni nan kominote ya. Chen sa dedye selman ak video ki gen rapor ak seduksyon, relasyon fam ak gason. Sou interese ak tip video sa yo, abone pou pa rate an yin sou nouvo video mbal pote yo.
Finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. Oh, I'm finally healing from you. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, 'cause I do